petting. These are freaking good.
Harley.
Now we got breadsticks. We're fatties.
Harley, look. You say hi to the people? He's probably going to try and bite the camera
I
because
want marinara.
he doesn't like it. It's okay, Harley. It's okay. He likes eating my hair. Ow! He bit my shoulder.
It's really good with marinara.
Come here, Harley. Come here, Harley. Yeah. You. Thank you, Harley.
Careful.
Where is he?
Right there. Okay, you're good.
I want him to get on there.
He's good.
I know.
Come up.
I know. I want him to get on there. Harley.
No.
Here, do you have a... Go get a papaya out of his treat bowl. No, don't get on the other side. Lift up the little... Yeah. The orange thing.
I know.
And put it like right there. Go get the papaya.
You're not low enough.
I know. Ah. Do you want the papaya?
Here.
Do you want the papaya? He's just gonna bite it.
He's backing up. Shoot.
He's not gonna fall. No. Harley, pick a shoulder and stick with it.
Huh?
I was talking to him.
Oh.
Stop. Harley, calm down. Why are you pulling out my shirt?
I don't want him to fall. There he is. He's good.
Why did you do that? Here. Harley, look.
Great Times Pizza was really good.
Come on. Look this way. Come on, come down my arm. Come on. Thank you, Harley. Harley, you want to go back in the cage? Back in the cage?
Harley!
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Oh, sweet baby. Jump. Get on that. Well, I gotta bring this down. They love the way we ride it.